How to apply Paylater in TikTok. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to apply Paylater in TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Make sure to log in or sign up to your TikTok account. Then, tap on the profile icon shown at the bottom right corner. Here, you have to select the three lines provided at the top right corner. Next, you will tap on the Settings and Privacy option. Now choose the Balance option by tapping on it. After that, it will show your account balance in front of you. Here, tap on the coin shown in the balance box. Then, it will show you different coin offers to get coins. You can select any offers and recharge to get the coins. Now, go back and tap on the others shown in the box. If you don't have any balance, you can check out Creator Tools to explore more monetization programs. You can tap the menu icon at the top of your profile and select Creator Tools. After that, tap on your live reward provided here. Here, you can withdraw your money easily by selecting the Pay Later option. Pay Later will split the payment based on the chosen plan, and you will be notified of upcoming payments. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.